All right, this is my first time using the lever action pump on a 5-gallon bucket. We've got some hydraulic oil here. This has a metal end hook, and we'll put right in here. Should hang in there just fine. Took about 5 minutes to put together. You mount the centerpiece that holds the pump in place. Add the little nozzle here and thumb screws to attach it to the bucket so it doesn't come loose as you're pumping. This thing's supposed to do 2 ounces per pump, is what it says. All I know is it's going to be a lot easier than trying to lift a 37-pound bucket of oil and try to pour it into a small little hole up there with a funnel. And I gotta tell you, it's working great. So I've got 2 of these buckets I need to do, and then probably about another gallon that I need to put in there. So we know for a fact we're putting 10 gallons in. It says 2 ounces per pump, but that's probably about right. So what is it, 128 ounces in a gallon? That's 64 times here, times 5. 300 and sometimes I gotta pump this. I don't know. I think it might be putting in more than that because it's already feeling pretty good here. What I like is there's no mess coming out the other end either, so that hook makes it nice. I think I'll add a little pipe clamp over here, getting a little bit of drip out of there. It is a bit tedious, not gonna lie. Thinking you could probably do half, 3/4, and then pour the rest into a funnel. All right, we're getting bubbles. Let's see what happens here. So that was part of my question. I was wondering what happens when it gets to the end. Let's see if I can get this to drain back in. Just had to get it off the bottom. I'm gonna put that there while we get another. So I just switched buckets, and I thought that I would pour the rest of this in via funnel, and there's really not even enough to mess with in here. Maybe an ounce or 2. So that thing worked really well.